Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen back in the chicken box, and I'm excited to share this recipe with y'all today. You know, we are from and of the South. I love all things South. I love Southern folks. I love Southern weather. I love Southern food. Today, it's about as Southern as you can get. We're making a cornbread salad. A cornbread salad, of course, that's what we're gonna make. Teresa's amazing. So she followed the recipe and she's done a 9-inch pan of cornbread. Hey, Jess, come on through, babe. Oh, sorry, it's all good. So she started this cornbread for us. This is already ready. You're gonna need a prepared pan of full cornbread. And I've got this ready for us. We've got spinach, and this recipe calls for mustard greens. I'm not a big fan of mustard greens, cooked or raw, so we're using kale today. So I have about 6 cups of spinach in here, and I've got 3 cups of kale. Thank you, babe. This is the basis of our salad, and we know what it's basically. We're making cornbread for croutons, and now we're going to make our dressing. This is an interesting dressing. I've got 2 avocados, but I do with my lime. Not floating around somewhere. I have these 2 avocados that Teresa's picked up. We have our food processor, and that was perfect. See this little bitty nut. You just draw it right out of there. I'm gonna scoop this into our processor. 2 times we're gonna do this. Now, if y'all are ever making chicken salad at the house, sometimes in the spring I like to put avocados in it. It really is good. If y'all decide to do that, hold on to these little shells, and you can serve your chicken salad in these little shells as almost a plate. You're doing the dinner parties. That's the thing about chicken box. Y'all don't ever know what kind of recipes you're gonna get. Now, if there's some things that you don't like me and the mustard greens, y'all just change it up. Mom's always said, cook it by her way one time, and then you can adjust as you go. But if you don't like mustard greens, don't use it. Why would you? Okay, y'all. For our dressing, we've got 1 cup of buttermilk. This is 1 cup of buttermilk, our 2 avocados. I have 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. We've got a couple of seasonings going in. We've got chipotle chili. This is 2 teaspoons of each. And really one of my favorite flavors, cumin. Two teaspoons of that. Now, I've got my knife. I've got my spoon ready. We're gonna pulse this to see if I can get all this work. I don't use food processors very much. All right, now let's see what we got. I made a straw. I need to add a pinch in the dash. Okay, but one more quick turn. I think this is good. Turns out cornbread salad's a lot healthier than I thought it would be. All right, so that's it. Oh, this is our dressing.
And show it to them. Bread.
It is pretty. It's a little thick too. You give this a test. Ooh, man, that is good. It's got a smoky flavor to it, and I love creamy avocado. That's delicious. Okay, now it says we're gonna toss in. We've got our spinach here. All right, let's dress it. And then we're gonna put the good stuff on top. But this is the part that you might want to be cautious with. How much dressing do you like? I'm not gonna put all that in. Let's see what this looks like. All right, that looks good, y'all. It's about perfect for me. Now we're gonna do some green tomatoes in here. This is healthy. My green tomatoes, I've got them sliced. Just gonna quarter these up. Y'all know how I do. Kind of season as I go. I know those tomatoes are gonna need some salt, pepper. Then 30 days ago, sure, I got them that well in rinsed. And so now that we have everything dressed, we can add what we're going to for our salad. Green tomatoes, so pretty. Red tomatoes will be pretty in here too. It's a lot of green. It's like a green goddess salad. We got some corn, our red beans, our cheese, a little toss, and depending on how you feel about wet bread now, you have to decide, is this the spot where you want to crumble some cornbread up in here and get it dressed a little bit, or would you rather crumble it on top like you would a crouton? I'm gonna let y'all choose. Great, Dave, this is a kitchen sink salad, and I got just the plate for it. I tell you what, you call it a lot of different things, but you certainly can't call it boring or ordinary. Look how pretty that is. We got beans here on corn. Patty Tucker thinks the cornbread right here on the side. Little fresh cheese on the top. That's a little bit of pepper on top and a little bit of salt. Look at that. Now, who in the world ever would have thought that a cornbread salad would turn out looking like this? I feel healthier just standing next to it. I'm Jamie Deen, and this is a cornbread salad. I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Thanks, y'all. Man, this looks good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.